Chicago, also known as the Windy City, is a bustling metropolis in Illinois, USA. With its stunning skyline, diverse neighborhoods, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant arts scene, Chicago offers many experiences for locals and tourists alike. Chicago is renowned for its architectural marvels. From the historic buildings of the Chicago Loop, such as the Chicago Board of Trade Building and the Wrigley Building, to modern icons like the Willis Tower, formerly Sears Tower, and the John Hancock Center, the city's skyline is a testament to its architectural prowess. Architectural boat tours along the Chicago River are popular for admiring the city's stunning buildings. The city is home to world-class museums and cultural institutions. The Art Institute of Chicago boasts an extensive collection of artworks from different periods and cultures, including famous pieces like Grant Wood's American Gothic and Vincent van Gogh's The Bedroom. The Museum of Science and Industry, the Field Museum of Natural History, and the Shedd Aquarium are must-visit attractions. Located in downtown Chicago, Millennium Park is a vibrant public space offering various attractions. The park's most iconic feature is Cloud Gate, affectionately known as the Bean, a reflective sculpture symbolizing the city. Visitors can enjoy outdoor concerts at the J. Pritzker Pavilion or cool off in the Crown Fountain. Navy Pier. Situated along the shores of Lake Michigan, Navy Pier is a popular entertainment destination. It features a Ferris wheel, amusement rides, theaters, restaurants, shops, and a stunning lakefront view. Fireworks displays and seasonal events make Navy Pier a lively spot throughout the year. Chicago has a thriving arts scene, with numerous theaters, music venues, and comedy clubs. The city is renowned for its blues and jazz heritage, and you can find live performances in various clubs. Additionally, Chicago's theater district, centered around the Loop, offers a wide range of theatrical productions, from Broadway hits to innovative off-Broadway shows. Chicago is a city of diverse neighborhoods, each with its unique character and charm. Explore the trendy shops and eateries of Wicker Park, experience the vibrant nightlife in River North, or stroll through the picturesque streets of Lincoln Park. Neighborhood festivals like the Taste of Chicago and the Chicago Jazz Festival showcase the city's cultural diversity.